How to block user on Reddit. In order to block user on Reddit, you need to first of all make sure that your account is completely up to date, and then open up Reddit on your device first thing. After you open up Reddit, you want to go ahead and open their profile, or simply go ahead and look for the username if you can find it in the home section. So what you want to do is, basically, let's say if you want to block this user, right, click on the profile name or the username. This is going to take you to the official page. Tap the three dot button, and here you want to go and look for block section. If you cannot find one, you simply go ahead and click on the username once again, scroll down and look for the block options. So basically, if you go and tap on the three dot icon and then you click block account, so block account, confirm, and this is how you will be able to successfully block user on Reddit. Now do the same thing with the rest of the other account or the user that you wish to block. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.